In this video, I will show you how to add leads in HubSpot. If you're new to HubSpot and want to keep track of potential customers, this step-by-step process will help you get started quickly. First, log in to your HubSpot account and go to the Contacts section from the top menu. Since leads are typically stored as contacts in HubSpot, click the Create Contact button in the top right corner. Now enter the lead's information, such as their name, email address, phone number, company name, and any other details you have available. You can also use custom properties to record information like lead source or interest level. After filling in the details, click Create Contact to save the lead. Once the contact is created, open their record and update the lead status property to indicate whether they are a new lead, qualified lead, or in progress, depending on your workflow. You can continue adding notes, tasks, emails, and deal information to the lead record as you nurture them through your sales process. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.